Welcome to Easify. Let's learn how to create a new account and explore the onboarding process. Enter an email and password to begin the registration. Then click the Start Registration button to proceed. Enter the OTP received in your email to perform email verification. Enter your name and phone number in the respective fields, then click Send OTP to receive a one-time password on your phone for verification. Enter the received OTP here and click on Verify Code button to confirm your mobile number. Select Take a Tour to get a guided walkthrough of Easify's features. Here you can see the core features of Easify. You can explore features one by one. Now let's go back to Dashboard. Now that your trial plan is activated, you can use it to get a demo and familiarize yourself with Easify's core features for the next 7 days. Once you are ready, click here to upgrade your plan to unlock additional features and credits. Choose the target audience and click on the Continue button to proceed. Choose non-US customers if your target audience is located outside the United States, or select US customers if your target audience is within the United States. Choose one of the plan. From here, you can customize the plan by adding add-ons. Enter your coupon code here if you have one. Click Continue to proceed after customizing your plan. Enter card details for payment and click on Submit button to proceed. Enter business details and click Continue to proceed. Confirm your selected industry before moving forward with onboarding. Pro Plan has been activated now. You can experience Pro Plan's features now. Now let's set up external provider. For that, click on Connect Now button. Fill the account name, ESID, auth token in the following fields, and then click on Add button to proceed. Now the external provider is successfully integrated. That's all for the Easify account setup. Thank you.